Dropcourse tutorial. I'm going to tell you how to use Dropcourse. Dropcourse is an online tool that helps you generate structured course notes or summaries from YouTube videos, lectures, or podcasts. You start by pasting a link, usually a YouTube video, into the Dropcourse interface. The platform then processes the audio, transcribes it, and breaks it down into a clean, readable format with timestamps and topic headers. It's ideal for students who want lecture notes without watching of hours of content, or for creators repurposing long videos into written guides. Once the summary is ready, you can tweak the output, edit the sections, copy it into a doc, or export the structured notes straight to your preferred format. Some users use it for revision, others to create content outlines. The accuracy depends heavily on the audio quality and the speaker's clarity. But for most use cases, Dropcourse saves time and effort. It's not perfect, but if you work with long form educational content, it's a quiet game changer. Paste a link, wait a moment, and your course is basically written.